Hey there, welcome to a WordPress SEO live project with practical workflow. In this course, we're going to learn everything with a real life project so that you can see everything in live and you can learn with practical workflow. Because by theoretically, you can know about SEO, but you cannot do same thing or get same performance for your SEO project. And that's why I wanted to share a real life SEO project that will be helpful to make you as a SEO expert to improve your SEO skill or become a search engine optimization specialist. Okay, so let's get started. Here you can see that I have already started a digital marketing agency that's named e-commerce thesis, and it's fully focused on e-commerce business. And we're not going to share very basic things in this course because it's not for a basic. For learn very basic things, you should go to my YouTube channel and check out the basic SEO playlist. You can learn everything about basic SEO. But I believe as you wanted to learn everything in real life project, so you have basic SEO skill. Okay, so first of all, you must have a clean, neat website, and I have already created a neat and clean professional website as I am myself a web developer. Okay, so you can see that here is my website. Looks here, and in this website or with this business, we are going to provide digital marketing service. Okay, so what we have to do? First, we have to audit our website. This is the first step to start a real life project. So we have to audit our website. So how you can audit your website? To audit your website, you must have to SEO tools. There are a lot of premium SEO tools to audit any website. So I'm going to copy my website URL, and you can see in my screen there are a lot of premium SEO tools. For example, I'm going to open SEMrush and enter my website name, click on the search. Okay, also I'm going to SEO site checkup. This is another premium SEO tool. So enter my website links and click on the analyze URL. Okay, also I can check it by over suggest. Click on the search. Okay, now we are waiting to see the result to know about current situation of our website. So we have to wait a little bit time until complete the loading result. Okay, okay, so you can see that we have audited our website, and you see there have 10 major error in here and 6 warning and 75%. So we have to fix this issue, and then we have to move on the next step. That means we are going to start on page SEO after that. So thank you for your time to join this class. If you think this class is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress SEO or Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.